I decided to take my new e-bike out for a ride to Hillary's boat harbour from Scarborough Beach. It was a really pleasant ride, about 35 minutes, plenty to see, and the pathway wasn't too crowded, so it made the ride sort of very pleasant. It was a good ride, about 56 kilometres, and as you can see by the white caps on the water, the sea breeze had come in reasonably strong during the afternoon. But otherwise, it was an invigorating ride on my e-bike, which has now done about 250 kilometres since I bought it.